Hello, my name is Chef Mireille. I am a food and travel content creator, and I specialize in presenting recipes, both traditional as well as modern innovative recipes from around the world. So today I wanted to give you a little window into the island of Haiti. So I'm half Haitian, by the way. Every country in the world, every culture in the world almost, has some kind of hot sauce. A way of bringing spice into food for people who like spicy food, which I am one of them. So in Haiti, we have two kinds. One is called sauce or sauce de malis, also called devil sauce, which is a tomato-based sauce. And then the other one is pikliz. So pikliz is basically a pickled vegetable condiment. Now, throughout the Caribbean, there's only one spicy pepper we use. And this is this pepper, which we call the Scotch bonnet and which most people in America call the habanero. So that's what you use to make pikliz. So basically, here it is. And basically, it's about 6 Scotch bonnet peppers. They've been quartered. About 2 cups of thinly sliced cabbage and carrots, a little bit of green bell pepper, and then some cloves and black peppercorns. So you see how high the vegetables are up there? So in maybe 2-3 days or so, basically the acid from the vinegar is going to cook the vegetables and they're all going to shrink down and it's going to be more liquid than vegetables. Totally different than what it looks at this point. And then what you do is you just take a few drops of the liquid, you put it to an entire plate of food, and it's going to add some awesome spice to your food. So I hope you've enjoyed this little window into Haitian culture and cuisine. Have a great day.